Which one of the following is an incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma? Option A. They lack a cell wall. Option B. They are smallest living cell. Option C. They cannot survive without oxygen. Option D. They are pathogenic in plants and animals. The correct answer is option C, which is they cannot survive without oxygen. This statement is incorrect because the mycoplasma they can survive without oxygen. Select the pair that consist of plant or animal bacterial disease. Option A, cholera and typhoid. Option B, citrus canker and crown gall. Option C, malaria and dengue. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Cholera and typhoid, citrus canker and crown gall, which is the disease is caused by bacteria, but the malaria and dengue, which is caused by protozoan. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories according to their shape. Study the given figure and select the correct option regarding this. Option A, Cocci, Bacilli, Spiralia, Vibrio. Option B, Spiralia, Bacilli, Vibrio, Cocci. Option C, Bacilli, Spiralia, Vibrio, Cocci. Option D, Bacilli, Spiralia, Cocci, Vibrio. The correct answer is option C, which is figure A is Bacilli, figure B is Spiralia, figure C is Vibrio, and figure D, which is Cocci. Read the following statement regarding methanogens and select the correct option. I. They are included in the group Archaebacteria. They are responsible for the production of biogas in gobar gas plant. They live in hot sulfur spring. They are strictly anaerobic. Option A, statement I and 2I are correct. Option B, statement I, 2I and IV are correct. Option C, statement I, third, 2I, third I, IV are correct. Option D, all statements are correct. The correct answer is option B, which is statement I, 2I, IV are correct. Given figure is of filamentous blue-green alga nostoc. Identify the parts marked as A and B. Select the correct option. Option A, heterocytes, mucilaginous sheath. Option B, vegetative cell, mucilaginous sheath. Option C, trichome, cell wall. Option D, mucilaginous sheath and heterocytes. The correct answer is option A, which is heterocytes and mucilaginous sheath. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the structure of a typical cell? Option A, cell possesses naked circular DNA which is folded to form nucleoid. Option B, cells are surrounded by a peptidoglycan cell wall and a mucilaginous sheath. Option C, cell possesses well-developed membrane-bound cell organelle. Option D, ribosome in the cell are 70s in nature. The correct answer is option C, which is cell possesses well-developed membrane-bound cell organelle. This statement is incorrect because this statement is correct for the eukaryotic cell, not for the typical cell or prokaryotic cell. Dash is the most common method of reproduction in bacteria. Option A, binary fission. Option B, endospore formation. Option C, conjugation. Option D, sexual reproduction. The correct answer is option A, which is binary fission. Cyanobacteria are classified under which of the following kingdom? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Algae. Option D, Plantae. The correct answer is option A, which is Monera. Dash bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrate, nitrite, ammonia and use the released energy for ATP production. They play an important role in recycling of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Option A, photosynthetic autotrophic. Option B, chemosynthetic autotrophic. Option C, parasite. Option D, saprophytic. The correct answer is option B, which is chemosynthetic autotrophic. Given figure represent the ultrastructure of a typical cyanobacteria cell. Identify the different parts and select the correct option. Option A, naked DNA, thylakoid. Option B, thylakoid, naked DNA. Option C, DNA plus histone, thylakoid. Option D, DNA plus histone, ATS ribosome. Correct answer is option A, which is naked DNA and thylakoid. Because cyanobacteria is a prokaryotic cell, and option B is not correct because the naked DNA is always found in cell in the center position. Option C and D found in eukaryotes, not in prokaryotic cell. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Almost all bacteria possesses lipoproteinous plasma membrane. Statement 2. The plasma membrane of Archaebacteria as well as bacteria have some type of lipid. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, but the statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. And D. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option C, which is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Mycoplasm are classified under which of the following kingdom? Option A, Monera. Option B, Protista. Option C, Fungi. Option C, Plantae. The correct answer is option A, which is Monera. Dash are important decomposer that cause decay and decomposition of dead of plants and animals. Option A, saprophytic bacteria. Option B, saprophytic fungi. Option C, plants like Sarracenia. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Saprophytic bacteria and saprophytic fungi are both decomposer that cause decay and decomposition of dead of plants and animals. Photosynthetic pigment of cyanobacteria, blue-green algae included option A, chlorophyll A, option B, carotenes, option C, xanthophylls, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Cyanobacteria are used in agricultural fields for crop improvement because they cause option A, nitrogen fixation, option B, algal bloom, option C, photosynthesis, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, which is nitrogen fixation. Select the correct statement regarding the heterocytes. Option A. These are present in some filamentous cyanobacteria such as Nostoc and Anobana. Option B. These cells are specialized to perform nitrogen fixation. Option C. These cells contain enzyme nitrogenase. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. In 5 kingdom classification system, the kingdom that includes the blue-green algae, nitrogen fixation bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria is option A, Plantae, option B, fungi, option C, Protista, option D, Monera. The correct answer is option D, which is Monera. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A. Pathogenic bacteria cause 90% of human disease. Option B. A large number of antibiotics are produced by actinomycetes, example streptomyces, which are a classes of fungi. Option C. N2 fixing bacteria pick up the free N2 or nitrogen from soil, atmosphere and convert it into nitrogenous compound. Option D. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having a different cell wall structure, and this feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. The correct answer is option B, which is a large number of antibiotics are produced by actinomycetes, which example is streptomyces, a class of fungi. This statement is incorrect because the actinomycete is not class of fungi, it is a class of Monera.